Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss chapter number 9 part 6, that is algebraic expressions and identities. In previous part we have discussed exercise 9.45 up to question number 3, and in this part we are going to discuss from question number 4 to all the questions of this exercise. Now question number 4. First part, simplify. Simply the question is given a square minus b square to the whole square, and we have to simplify this. So simply we know that the formula a square, we know that the formula a minus b whole square, the formula will be a minus b whole square equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab. This formula is applied here. So a square is equals to a, b square is equals to b. So this is a minus b whole square. So it's look like a minus b whole square. So just apply the formula. So the formula will be a square plus b square minus 2ab. So this formula is applied here. A square, that means a square to the whole square. A square plus b square, so b is here b square, so b square to the whole square, minus 2, a is a square and b is b square. So just simplify it. A square to the whole square, that is a to the power 4, plus b square to the whole square, that is b to the power 4, minus 2a square b square. Now this is the answer, and it's the simplification of this question. Now the next question, that is question number 2. 2x plus 5 whole square minus 2x minus 5 whole square. So let 2x plus 5 equals to a and 2x minus 5 equals to b. So this is the formula. Here the formula is applied, that is a square minus b square, where a is equals to 2x plus 5 and b is equals to 2x minus 5. So the formula is equals to a square minus b square equals to a plus b and a minus b. This formula is applied here. So a square minus b square, that is a plus b, a minus b. In this question, a is equals to 2x plus 5 and b is equals to 2x minus 5. So this is a square minus b square. So a plus b, that means 2x plus 5 plus 2x minus 5. And in next bracket, 2a minus b. So 2x plus 5 minus b is 2x minus 5. So 2x, and it minus sign, it becomes plus sign. So it is plus 5. Now just simplify it. 2x plus 2x, that is 4x, plus 5 minus 5 cancel out, so it's only 4x. Now in next bracket, 2x minus 2x, it will be cancel out. 5 plus 5, that is 10. So 4x into 10, it will be 40x. And this is the answer. Now the next question is question number 3. 7m minus a10 to the whole square plus 7m plus a10 to the whole square. Here again, let's suppose 7m minus a10 equals to a and 7m plus a10 equals to b. So this is a square plus b square. But here we have to take 7m equals to a and 8n equals to b. So it will be a minus b whole square. Similarly, here we can take 7m equals to a and 8n equals to b. So a plus b whole square. So just apply the formula, that is a minus b whole square. So it will be a square plus b square minus 2ab. Similarly, plus a plus b whole square. So just expand it. A square, that means 7m whole square, plus b square, that means 8n whole square, plus 2ab. So plus 2 into 7m into 8n. So just simplify it. 7m whole square, that is 49m square, 8n square, that is 64n square, minus 2 into 7 into 8. So it will be minus 112 mn. Now in next bracket, 7m square, that is 49m square, plus 8n square, that is 64n square, plus 2 into 7 into 8, that is 112 mn. So just open the bracket. So 49m square plus 64n square minus 112 mn, and it will be plus 49m square plus 64n square plus 112 mn. Here minus 112 mn and plus 112 mn, it will be cancelled out. So 49m square plus 49m square, it will be 98m square, and 64n square plus 64n square, that is 128n square, and this is the answer. Now the next question is question number 4. 4m plus 5n to the whole square plus 5m plus 4n to the whole square. Again, same process you have to do. A plus b whole square and a plus b whole square. The formula will be a plus b whole square equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Just apply here. So a plus b whole square, a square, that is 4m square, plus b square, that is 5n square, plus 2ab. 2 into a, that is 4m, into 5n. Now in next bracket, a plus b whole square, again apply the same formula, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Just open the bracket, just simplify it. 4m square, that is 16m square, 5n square, that is 25n square, plus 2 4 ja 8, 8 5 ja 40, 40 mn, plus 5m square, that is 25 m square, 4n whole square, that is 16n square, plus 2 into 5 into 4, 2 5 ja 10, 10 4 ja 40, 40 mn. Now 16m square plus 25m square, it will be added because both are like terms. 16m square plus 25m square, it will be 6 plus 5, that is 1, carry 1, 2 plus 2, that is 4, 41m square. Similarly, 25n square and 16n square, both are like terms, so it will be 41n square. Forty mn plus 40 mn, it will be 80 mn, and this is the answer, and it's very easy. Now the next question, that is question number 5. A plus b, sorry, AB plus BC whole square minus 2AB square C. So simply just simplify it. AB equals to, let AB equals to A and BC equals to B. So this is A plus B whole square. So just apply the formula A plus B whole square, where A is equals to AB and B is equal to BC. So the formula is A square, that is AB whole square, plus B square, that is BC whole square, plus 2AB. 2A is AB and B is BC, minus 2AB square C. Simply just simplify it. So AB whole square, that is A square B square, plus BC whole square, that means B square C square, plus 2A B into B, that is B square, and C, 2AB square C, minus this will be 2AB square C. Now plus 2AB square C and minus 2AB square C, it will be cancelled out. So the answer is A square B square plus B square C square, and this is the answer. Now it's very easy how to simplify it. Now the next question, that is question number 5. So that here the LHS term and RHS term are given, we have to equate it. So first of all, take LHS part, 3x plus 7 whole square minus 84x. Just simplify it. So this will be A plus B whole square. The formula is applied, will be applied, that is A plus B whole square. So A square, that is 3x to the whole square, plus B square, that is 7 square, plus 2AB, that is 3x into 7, minus 84x. So just simplify it. 3x whole square, that is 9x square, plus 7 square, that is 49, plus 2 into 3 into 7, that is 42x, minus 84x. Simply 9x square plus 49, 42x minus 84x. So just solve it. So 4 minus 2, that is 2, 8 minus 4, that is 4, minus 42x. So this is the LHS part. Let's solve RHS part. So RHS is 3x minus 7 whole square. So this expression is in the form of A minus B whole square. So just apply the formula, that is A square 3x ka whole square plus B square, that is 7 square, minus 2AB, that is 3x into 7. So 3x whole square, that is 9x square, plus 7 square, that is 49, minus 2 3 are 6, 6 7 are 42x. So this is the RHS part. So here LHS, that is 9x square plus 49 minus 42x, and RHS part is equals to 9x square plus 49 minus 42x. So both are equal. So we can write LHS equals to RHS. Proved. Similarly, the next question, that is question number 2. Again, we have to equate it. First we have to find LHS, solve LHS part, then we have to solve RHS part, and then we have to show LHS equals to RHS. So simply, first of all, take LHS part, that is 9p minus 5q to the whole square, plus 180pq. To simplify it, so this is A minus B whole square. This expression is in the form of A minus B whole square. So just apply the formula. So A square, that is 9p whole square, plus B square, that is 5q whole square, minus 2AB. So minus 2 A and B, that is 5Q. So 9P whole square, that is 81P square, 5Q whole square, that is 25Q square, minus 2 into 9 into 5, that is 9 5 ja 45, 45 2 ja 90. So 90 PQ. So this is LHS part. Now just solve RHS part. So this is RHS part is equals to 9P plus 5Q to the whole square. So this expression is in the form of A plus B whole square. So just apply the formula, that is A square, so 9P whole square, plus B square, that is 5Q whole square, plus 2AB, that is 2A is 9P and B is 5Q. Just solve it. 9P whole square, that is 81P square, plus 5Q whole square, that is 25Q square, plus 2 into 9 into 5. So 9 5 ja 45, 45 2 ja 90 PQ. Now let's see LHS is equals to RHS. So this is proved. This statement is correct. This expression is correct, where LHS is equals to RHS part. Now the next question, that is question number 3rd. 4 by 3m minus 3 by 4n whole square plus 2mn, and this expression is given. So let's simplify LHS part. So 4 by 3m minus 3 by 4n whole square plus 2mn. So this expression is in the form of A minus B whole square. So just apply the formula. So A square, that is 4m by 3 whole square, plus B square, that is 3n by 4 whole square, minus 2AB, that is 4 by 3m, and B is here 3 by 4 and n, plus 2mn. Now just simplify it. 4m by 3 whole square, that is 16m square by 9, plus 3n by 4 to the whole square, so 3 is 9, n square by 16, 4 4 is 16, minus 2 4 is 8, 8m by 3. Just simplify it. 4 and 4 cancel out, 3 and 3 cancel out, so 2 into m into n, it will be minus 2mn plus 2mn. Now minus 2m plus 2m, it will be cancel out. What is left here? 16m square upon 9 plus 9n square upon 16. And this is LHS part, which is equals to RHS part. Let's see here, 16 by 9m square plus 9 by 16 n square. This equals to LHS equals to RHS. Proved. Now the next question, that is question number 4. This question is given here. A minus B, A plus B, plus B minus C, B plus C, plus C minus A, C minus A, C plus A equals to 0. And here we have to, first of all, A minus B, A plus B, B minus C, B plus C, C minus A, C plus A. So the formula which is used here, that is A square minus B square equals to A plus B, and in next bracket A minus B. This formula will be used in this question. So let's see A minus B, A plus B. This expression is in the form, this form, A plus B, A minus B. The formula will be A square minus B square. So simply we can write A square minus B square at this place. A minus B, A plus B. This equals to A square minus B square. So just write it, A square minus B square, plus B minus C, B plus C. We can write B square minus C square. Same formula is applied here, plus C minus A, C plus A. We can write C square minus A square equals to 0. Now just open the bracket. So A square minus B square plus B square minus C square plus C square minus A square equals to 0. Now A square minus A square, it will be cancel out. Minus B square plus B square, it will be also cancel out. Minus C square plus C square, it will be cancel out. So here 0 equals to 0 and LHS equals to RHS. So it is verified. So simply it's very easy question. Now the next question, that is question number 6. Using identities evaluate 71 whole square. So we can write 71 at the place of 71, we can write 70 plus 1. Simply at the place of 71, we can write 70 plus 1. So it will be 71. So, and the whole square. So this expression is in the form of A plus B whole square. So simply just apply the formula, that is A square, so 70 ka whole square plus B square, that is 1 ka whole square, plus 2AB, that is 2 into 70 into 1. Now just solve it. So 70 whole square, that is 7 7 is 49, 4900 plus 1 plus 2 7 is 40, 140. Now 4900 plus 140 plus 1. So it will be 5041, and this is the answer. Now the next question is 99 whole square. Again at the place of 99, we can write 100 minus 1. 100 minus 1, that is 99. So, and the whole square, so it will be whole square. Again this expression is in the form of A minus B whole square. So just apply the formula. A square, that is 100 square, plus B square, that is 1 square, minus 2 into A into B. So 100 square, that is 10,000, plus 1 minus 200. This equals to 10,000 plus 1 minus 200. 9,000 outside, and this is the answer. Now the next question is 297 into 303. So again we can write at the place of 297, we can write 300 minus 3, multiply. At the place of 303, we can write 300 plus 3. Simply, so 300 minus 3 and 300 plus 3. So this expression is in the form of A minus B and A plus B. The formula will be A square minus B square. So here we can write A square, that is 300 ka whole square, minus B square, that is 3 to the whole square. So 300 to the whole square, that is 3 3 is 9, 90,000 minus 3 3 is 9. So it will be 8,000. So 89,991, and this is the answer. Now the question number 7, that is using A square minus B square equals to A plus B, A minus B, find. Here the identity is given, we have to find the question, we have to solve the question. So the first question, that is 51 square minus 49 square. So 51, take 51 as a A and 49 as a B. So A square minus B square. The formula will be A plus B and A minus B. Just apply the formula, that is A plus B, that means 51 plus 49. and a minus b, that means 51 minus 49. So just solve it. So 51 plus 49, that is 100, into 51 minus 49, that is 2. This equals to 200, and this is the answer. It's very easy. Now the next question, that is question number 2. 1.02 to the whole square minus 0.98 to the whole square. So again 1.02 equals to A and 0.98 equals to B. So the formula will be A plus B, A minus B. So A plus B, that is 1.02 plus 0.98, and A minus B, that is 1.02 minus 0.98. So 1.02 plus 0.98, it will be 2 into 1.02 minus 0.98, it will be 0.4. So it will be 0.04. So 2 4s are 8, 0.08. This is the answer. Now the next question, that is last question, that is question number 8. Using the identity is given and we have to solve this question. So question number 1. 103 plus 104. Sorry, 103 multiply 104. At the place of 103, we can write 100 plus 3, and at the place of 104, we can write 100 plus 4. The identity is given, that is x plus a, x plus b. So this expression is in the form of this expression, x plus a and x plus b, where x is equals to 100 and a is equals to 3 and b is equal to 4. The formula will be x square, that means 100 ka square plus a plus b into x. So a is 3 and b is 4. So 3 plus 4 into x. X will be 100 plus ab. So a is 3 and b is 4. So 3 into 4. So just solve this. 100 square, that is 10,000, plus 3 plus 4, that is 7. So 700 plus 12. So 10,712, and this is the answer. Now it's very easy. So the next question, that is question number 2. 5.1 plus 5 multiply 5.2. At the place of 5.1, we can write 5 plus 0.1. And at the place of 5.2, we can write 5 plus 0.2, where this expression is in the form of x plus a and x plus b, where x is 5 and a is 0.1 and b is 0.2. Now let's just apply the formula, that is x square, so 5 square, plus a plus b, so a is 0.1 and b is 0.2. So 0.1 plus 0.2, and x is 5 plus ab. So a is 0.1 and b is 0.2. Now just simplify it. 5 to the whole square, that is 25, plus 0.1, 0.2, that is 0.3 into 5, plus 0.1 into 0.2, it will be, so this is 0.02. Just simplify it. So 25 plus 0.3 into 5, that is 15, 1.5 plus 0.02. So just solve it. So 26.52, and this is the answer. And this is the complete solution of this last exercise, that is exercise 9.5. If you have any doubt, you can comment in the comment box, or you can send message in the WhatsApp group. Thank you so much, students.